In 1933, the Royal Thai Army set up a science laboratory section under the Quartermaster's General Department, and its first director was a civilian chemist named Dr. Prajwap Bunnak. This was the forerunner of the Royal Thai Army Chemical Department. Realized the potential mass destruction power of chemical weapons used in the First World War, the Science Laboratory Section was tasked with the production and protection of chemical weapons, as well as carrying out other scientific activities. It carried out research programs in order to find means of producing materials and items in short supply during the Second World War so that the country could be self-reliant to a degree. The Science Laboratory Section was located in a large area on the outskirts of Bangkok, and the Royal Thai Army now occupies that very same area. The Science Laboratory Section had evolved over time, and eventually on the 26th of January 1971 became Royal Thai Army Chemical Department, a combat service support unit and directly subordinated to the Royal Thai Army. Missions of the Royal Thai Army Chemical Department are to plan, direct, coordinate, supervise, carry out research and development, produce, supply, maintenance, and provide service for CBRN supplies, produce military doctrine and manuals, and provide training and education on CBRN defense, carry out other science-related activities. The Royal Thai Army Chemical Department is organized into 4 divisions: Plans and Projects Division, Technical Division, Depot Division, and Service Division. 4 sections: Administration Section, Finance Section, Procurement Section, and Pyrotechnic Section. 1 school: Royal Thai Army Chemical School. 1 chemical company: the First Chemical Company, a combat support unit of the Royal Thai Army. There are 8 major tasks derived from the missions. 1. Combat support. Provide information and assist field commanders with recommendation about CBRN defense and smoke operation. 2. Logistic support. Supply maintenance and management of CBRN supplies to support the Army. 3. Research and development. Applying science and technology for research and development of CBRN supplies, which can eventually lead to manufacturing process. 4. Scientific analysis. Laboratory tests and analysis. Provide guidance for chemical emergency incident response and solve environmental problems for Army units. 5. Education and training. Provide the following CBRN-related courses: CBRN course for officers, CBRN course for non-commissioned officers, Logistic and Maintenance course for unit CBRN supplies non-commissioned officers, Mobile Training course for operating and maintenance of CBRN equipment, Counter CBRN Terrorist course. 6. Pyrotechnics. Produce color smoke munitions, signaling and illuminating flares, and perform firework display for important events. 7. Non-military tasks. Operate production plant to produce bottled drinking water and distribute to various units on behalf of the Army. From 2003 to the present, produced vetiver glass saplings by means of tissue culture method in support of Royal Initiative Project to prevent and combat soil erosion. About 80,000 to 100,000 vetiver saplings per year had been distributed to Army units and civilian agencies to be planted or redistributed. 8. Military operations other than war. Set up domestic preparedness response teams for emergency incidents, disaster, especially in CBRN incidents, CBRN terrorism, disaster prevention and mitigation. Provide CBRN response team for civil support in high-risk conditions. Team capacity enhancement is achieved by joint training in disaster management with other domestic military and civilian agencies, as well as with other countries, often with ASEAN members. Counter CBRN tourism provide CBRN response team to support counter-terrorist operation center, Royal Thai Armed Forces in training and in real situation for international terrorism incident involving CBRN threat. The Royal Thai Army Chemical Department is ready and willing to carry out its major task to fulfill its mission in line with the Army's slogan of "For Nation, Religions, Monarch, and People."